Queens, hey princesses, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I am back again with another freaking video. So today we are doing this beautiful brown smoky eye. So yeah, with this like nice purpley nude lip, which I am feeling. And so yeah, I hope you babies love today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Queen Cierra_Slay and Queen Cierra Boutique. Don't forget that Queen Cierra Boutique is having a 75% off sale. Everything is for the love. Okay? For all my queens on a budget. I have sunglasses, I have handbags, I have earrings, I have masks. So go shop, go crazy. Everything's for the love. And yeah, I hope you babes love it, because everything that is on sale right now will not be coming back. So yeah, I love you queens, and I will see you in the next. Okay babe, so let's get started. I'm moisturizing my face using the Snail Mucin moisturizer, and now I'm going in. Y'all know this is my favorite. This is the MAC Studio Radiant Moisturizing Illuminating Silky Primer. Girl, I love this. Underneath makeup, on a bare face, just this and some sunscreen. Beautiful. Now I'm taking my Black Opal foundation stick, and I'm in the color, what color is this? Hazelnut. And I'm using my bling brushes to blend out my foundation. So this bling brush is, I will link these brushes in the description box below. Love these, are high quality, nice brushes. So I'm using F2. No, that's not F2. Sorry, y'all. It is F3. I'm using F3. Then I use F2 to blend out my contour. But yeah, I love these brushes. They are really, really soft. The crystals are gorgeous. Like, it's a brush, girl. If you love bling, it's a brush for you. So right now I'm just blending it out. It's blending out really nice and evenly and seamless. Now I'm taking Black Opal and Black Walnut, and I'm using it as a contour. And I'm pushing. When I do my contour, I am going upwards to slim down the face a little bit and give us a little bit of definition. So I don't contour a lot. Like, I'm not doing it. It's not a really long, harsh, dark line. It's very light contour. And I'm using F2. And I'm just contouring my temples, my nose, my jawline. And that's it. And then, I'm ahead of myself, sorry. We're going to blend that out a little bit more. Make sure we don't have no harsh lines, because we don't do that over here. And run out my concealer. So I'm just using this Wonder Stick by NYX in the shade Deep. And since, you know, that concealer color is bright, but it's a little bit too bright, so I go over it with the concealer shade, which is not the concealer shade, the contour shade. And that's not a contour color, because you know Black Walnut, I just use Black Walnut from Black Opal, and that's a contour shade. That's deep enough. So I mix those two together and use it as a highlighter, and it's perfect. It's bright, but it's not too bright, and it covers. So yeah, and the brush I'm using right now is like a brush I got in a Christmas set for Christmas. So it's like a no-name, quote-unquote, brand. You get like a TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Amazon. I don't even know. It was a gift. So it's like a nice rounded, dense concealer brush. So Yeah, but it's like no name on it, so I can't link it. And I'm getting my underneath my eyes, my eyelids, I did a heart, and my nose contour, my lip and chin. And I know my favorite powder thus far is the Fenty and Honey, because it's a little yellow base. I think I'm going to try a different powder because I feel like my face is just so yellow because everything is warm undertone. I feel like I'm too warm sometimes. So I'm going to play with different powders. But I'm going into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Pastel palette, the remaster, and I'm using basically the whole, well, besides black truffle, mostly the bottom row. So I'm using cocoa, sandalwood, honey, and suede. So I'm buffing that cocoa color in my crease of my eye with a nice round zip fluffy brush, and I'm gonna wing that out a little bit because I love a nice little wing. And we're going for kind of like a brown smoky eye. So if you don't have this palette, just get yourself a nice warm brown or cooler brown and more of like a taupey color, like a cool taupey color, and a nice neutral brown, and you can achieve this look. So if you have any other colors from any cosmetics brand, you can achieve this look. And it's mainly just crease work. We're just applying these colors on top of each other, and we're blending it out with nice fluffy crease brushes. I will try to link some crease brushes in the comments, not the comments, the description box below if you're a beginner or if you're just looking for a nice brush. Right now I'm using this Wet n Wild brush, and it's a really nice fluffy brush. So we're just buffing it. It's mainly just buffing it, and we're kind of going for that outer V section. So I have like a nice V shape to my eye because I don't want too blown out. I like a more of a tapered eye, but without doing liner, if you know what I mean. You can kind of see it at the end. You can see it right now, even though I didn't clean it up yet. You can see how it's like it's tapered at the end. It's like kind of like a wing eyeliner without doing a wing. And we're just building the colors on top of each other. And then put that on my Romanian quote-unquote lid. Basically all the colors cover up my lid. So just so I have a little naked space on my eye. And we're just buffing and buffing and buffing. That's it. So I don't know what happened, but after this clip, but I was just using my Too Faced taper concealer and just using that to clean up that line, so we have a nice like sharp line. These lashes I think are bodacious from Cierra Boutique, so they are 75% off, sorry. And the link to my website queencierraboutique.com will be in the description box below, as in my brows off camera as well. I just use a NYX eyebrow pencil and my highlighter, y'all know, my tried and true Fenty Beauty Ginger and Moscow Mule. Oh, it's Killer Catwalk. No, it's not. It's Kilowatt. Sorry, it's Kilowatt. It's kind of rubbed off, so Kilowatt. And I'm just as my highlighter, I use the bling brushes in F4 to blend that out, using a nice brown lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm using these lipsticks from NYX Cosmetics in Suede in the color Soft Spoken. And I'm using my Queen Cierra Boutique lip gloss in the shade purple. I'll put it up on the screen. Totally forgot about it. I don't think I really sell this lip gloss anymore. But I went for this nice purpley nudie color, and I'm obsessed with it. So if you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, queens, to the moon and back. And I will see you next video. Everything will look in the description box below.